Hey everyone and welcome back to CGFamily. So you've heard about Unreal Engine 5, right? Well, it's in early access now and Unreal Engine has released or unveiled what all the changes will be in the Unreal Engine 5. So we are gonna quickly cover most of them in this video. So open up your Epic launcher. So the first thing you'll notice is that you have one new tab here. After Twinmotion, now you have Unreal Engine 5. When you click on it, it'll open up a page for you, and from here you can download the early access and install it in your systems. So the first thing that I've noticed, other than the 100 GB of the sample file, the Valley of the Ancient, is that they have designed this page really well. Because for most people, they would want to know what the changes are. They would want to learn about the new software. So on your left here, you see the documentation. It will tell you in detail all the things that they've changed and all the things that are improved. And on the right here, there you have the online learning page. Alright, now let's get into the video and see what are the main changes that are happening in here. So the first one you'll notice is the UI changes. Editor tabs. You can now dock, undock, restore or close the tab as per your convenience. It gives you more viewport space. Plus you can use the hotkeys to access the stuff like content browser. The next one on our list is Nanite. So they have created this virtualized micropolygon geometry system called Nanite. With it, you can create as much geometry as you want and need without worrying about the FPS dropping, game lagging, and etc. That's huge! And after Nanite, we have Lumen. Their fully dynamic real-time global illumination solution. It realistically reacts to your scene and hooks directly into the time of the day setting in the engine, giving you photorealistic quality and graphicism your scene needs. The next big change we have is Quixel Bridge. You might already know that Quicksilt is free to use for Unreal Engine users. Check that video in the description or in the eye icon up there. So, this vast and enormous library of 3D assets, materials, decals, surface imperfections is available for you to use in your games, environment, movies, or anything else you want to use it for. And it's totally free. And now, you can simply drag and drop your assets from Quixel Bridge directly into your scenes. Moving on, we have World Partition. Well, as the name suggests, it creates partitions of your big large hunk of world map that you can load separately. It saves time and resource for your computer to work on other cool stuff. It can also load the world in a defined radius at a runtime. You can configure the cell size and player radius, making your game buttery smooth. Next, we have Full Body HIK Solver. This one is for the animation. With Full Body HIK Solver, your character can correct itself according to the changes on the ground below. And after that, we have Animation Motion Warping. In simple words, your root motion animation can be adjusted according to the environment automatically. Like you see here, you create a vault animation, fill the relevant details in the engine, and Unreal Engine then can alter the animations according to the size, height, length of the obstacle all on its own. Well, these were the things that I felt were major. And other than this, there's also temporal super resolution that makes your geometry look sharper, helping you create a true 4K experience at the cost of 1080. Then there's also Sky Atmosphere system, making it easy to quickly simulate realistic time of the day, volumetric clouds, and other atmosphere changes. There's also a thing called Mega Assemblies now. It's a quick way to set up your scene with a pre-built assets collection that's all set up and ready to use for you. Then we also have data layers to quickly categorize the map assets that you can enable or disable to alter the look of your scene. And even that's not it, there's even more. And if you want to read about it, I'll link it in the description right below. So what are you waiting for? Quickly, go and get your early access at the earliest and start exploring. This is it for this video, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button, comment your thoughts down in the comment section below, hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon so you get to know when our video is uploaded. And I'll see you in the next one.